Okay, we're going to go ahead here and just quickly demonstrate spinning up a instance of a machine image that contains Windows. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is sign into my account. And verify that I have 0 running instances. I have some stopped instances, but I'm going to launch a new instance right now. And I'm going to just take a basic Windows 2008 server. And I'm going to be going through the defaults in most of these screens that come up. We'll go through these in more detail in class. So we are not going to enable monitoring for this application, for this instance rather. And I'm going to have to go ahead and associate a key pair so that I can securely receive the administrator password for this machine. This is something that you have to do with Windows, and we'll be going through key pairs in our security overview. And I've already got a default security group set up, and I think I'm ready to go. So it's go ahead, it's launching, and this will take a little while. We'll need to come back to this at some point and get our administrator password. Okay, now the machine is running. I'm incurring charges at this point. Unfortunately, there's still a little bit of a delay until that machine goes through its provisioning process and is able to give me an administrator password. So we're going to have to come back to this in about 15 minutes. Okay, time has passed, and we can now get this Windows password, and this is sent to us encrypted, and I have to decrypt it with the private part of my key pair, and I can just paste that in there and then say decrypt the password. And I have now been given a decrypted password that I'm going to just copy and paste into a notepad window for a second here, and I can also grab this. In fact, let's do this. Let's grab the public DNS from that instance. And what I'm going to do is run a program called Remote Desktop, which comes on my Windows client, and connect to that instance. Okay, here's my remote desktop, and I will put in the IP address and connect to the machine. And I'm going to be logging in as administrator, and my password, which I have to type, is, and if I've typed it correctly, I am now connected to a Windows Server instance in the sky or in the cloud, and this is kind of exciting. I mean, there's nothing here but a bare bones machine, but now I have provisioned an infrastructure that I can begin working with. I can deploy software to this machine. I can create user accounts on this machine. I can do whatever I want to do on this machine, just as if this machine were sitting in my data center. Okay, we've done what we needed to do with this machine, and we're going to just go ahead and tear it down now. I'm going to just log out of this machine, and then back in my AWS Management Studio, or back in my Management Console, I'm just going to go ahead and terminate that machine so I will no longer accrue charges. And that takes a few seconds or a few minutes, and it will be gone. I can no longer connect to that machine.